organ was the ultimate home entertainment system of its day. Installed here in 1926, it could fill an entire mansion with music, long before radios and stereos became part of everyday life. This pipe organ was purchased by New Orleans businessman William Ratcliffe Irby and installed a century ago in the entry hall of his French Quarter home that's now owned by the historic New Orleans collection.
These organs were on the one hand symbols of wealth and status. They were also musical instruments that kind of represented the pinnacle of technology.
Interpretive historian Joanna Robinson says Irby was in distinguished company.
Vanderbilt, Guggenheim, Carnegie, Mellon. These are the people that were commissioning and installing these organs in their homes.
The organ can play itself, similar to a player piano. Paper rolls of recorded songs are loaded, and as the roll turns, perforations in the paper signal which notes to play, controlling everything from the type of sound to the volume. You come up here, you see the rolls, you see the instrument, you have a chance to play it. What was that experience like for you?
Oh, it was just gave me goosebumps because I was sitting back in the 1920s and being able to experience the sound of the 20s.
Musician Bobby Skinner explains that the organ rolls are recordings of someone who played the songs, carefully edited and then sold to the public.
And it did capture the live performance, bad notes and all.
I guess similar to the way we go into recording studios now.
That's exactly.
And the engineers kind of polish everything and rebalance things.
Correct.
They did the same thing with these organ rolls.
That's exactly what they did.
The pipes on the wall are for decoration. The music comes from behind screens in the walls that conceal the real organ pipes and create a surround sound experience. This organ still performs for visitors every day. The historic New Orleans collection protects its original organ rolls, and the music is now triggered by an electronic recording system.
We have a MIDI system that we use so that we don't have to use rolls and put wear and tear on the rolls. So we will have people come in, we will record them.
Only 4 of these once popular Aeolian organs are still in working order at their original locations.
We're very lucky that this has stayed in such good shape and that we're able to show you its fully functioning self today.
The organ is a popular attraction, giving visitors a chance to experience the music and the remarkable technology that once entertained the wealthiest families in America.